is Chef Jelly and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be making Toy Story Alien Macarons. If this is your first time in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for cool recipes. In honor of the new movie Toy Story 4, we're going to be making those cute little aliens in macaroon form. In this recipe, we used the normal macaroon base and we just made a silhouette of those aliens and we put it underneath the silicone mat and we just piped it on top. The eyes are candied eyes that you can find at the store, and the middle is going to be blue buttercream. And now let's go to the kitchen to make these cute macaroons. You need to separate 3 egg whites and place in the bowl and whip them until stiff. Now you're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar into your whipping eggs. When they are sturdy and fluffy, that's when you know you're done. And they'll have a glossy consistency. Sift 1 cup and 3/4 of powdered sugar. And throw away all the lumps. Add to your sugar 1 cup of almond flour and stir together. Add your dry to your wet ingredients. And be sure to fold it in. Add a couple drops of green food coloring to get the green. And fold it well until this consistency. This is my buttercream and you can find the recipe for it right above. I just already have it stored, so I'm just gonna take it out, mix it real quick to remove any lumps, and add my blue food coloring to it. With a toothpick, you'll go into there and you'll take out some food coloring, about 4 to 5 drops. And you stir it well until you get the color you desire. Set aside for later. Here we have the black piping gel that we're going to use to add our details. Put your macaroon batter into a piping well and snip the end very small for control. That is the silhouette alien that we're going to use, and we're going to cut it to size and place it under our silicone mat so that we can use the batter to pipe on top. Adjust as needed. Trace the aliens with the piping bag and the batter inside. And any loose ends or imperfections, you can fix it with a toothpick. Here it is again. Pat down and set outside for 2 hours, then place in oven for 285 for 15 minutes. Once they come out of the oven, pre-size your eyes. Place a little dollop of the black food coloring on the back and place it down to where you want your eyes. Repeat this 3 times. And you can go ahead and add your smiley face to your desire. Flip the other sides over and add the blue buttercream. I'm going a little under the edge so that when we squish them, they won't overflow. Place the faces on the backs ever so gently. And there you have your cute alien Toy Story macaroons. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see your creations. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Chef Jellies so that I can feature you in my story. Don't forget to tune into this channel next week for a new recipe.